Namaste, welcome to online class. Previous class we discussed about the definitions and meaning of the planning. Today we shall discuss the significance of planning. Significance of planning and process of planning. Well, dear students, planning plays a significant role in the organizational performance. Without the planning, the organizations cannot perform its functions. Proper planning is very essential in order to smooth functioning of the organization. From the following, the importance of the planning can be well known. Planning focuses on the future direction, values, and sense of purpose. Planning it focuses on the future direction. So, what in the future, what needs to be done, what the value should be there, and what the purpose of the organization. So, the planning always focuses on the future, which has to be achieved and how it has to be achieved. Planning shows what the enterprise wants to achieve. So, in the planning, they will be giving the objectives clearly and defining the objectives very clearly. It shows what the organization wants to achieve in the future. Planning also shows how those objectives should be achieved. So, the already formulated objectives, how it intends to accomplish those objectives. Not only setting the objectives, but also the organization, in order to achieve those goals, what actions should be taken and how those objects should be achieved, that will be well determined. The organization knows its present position and also where it wants to go. By planning what the organization want to achieve in the future, that will be decided by analyzing the present situation. So, without knowing the present situation, the organization cannot set the objectives for the future. That's why the organization will be knowing the present situation, what the organization has strength or weaknesses, or what are its opportunities. By analyzing itself, it will be knowing the present situation, and then based on that present situation, it will be setting the objectives for the future. Planning provides a unified decision making framework. So, the organization will be providing a unified decision making framework in which the organization needs to take the decisions. It will be providing a unified, that means all the departments, the organization will be having a number of departments. As you know that even though the organization is a small, there will be different departments: sales department, production, marketing, finance. So like that there will be a different departments. So each department will be having its own objectives, and within the organization these objectives should be coordinated. Without coordination among these departments, the organization cannot achieve the goals or objectives which are predetermined. That's why if there are number of departments, all those departments should be prioritize their goals and objectives according to the overall corporate objectives. Without the corporate objectives, without the unified framework, the different departments will be setting the different goals and objectives. Then the organization will not be able to achieve its goals. That's why, in order to achieve the organizational goals, the department should be coordinated. Planning helps to identify potential opportunities and threats. While planning, the organization will be looking for the opportunities which are there in the environment, and also what are the threats. By identifying the opportunities which are which will be very useful for the organization to make use of those opportunities, and uh, deciding the activities which will be having the threats. So what the organizational threats and what the organizational opportunities, those should be identified in order to encash the opportunities and combat the threats. Without knowing the organizational opportunities and threats, the organization cannot perform efficiently and effectively. In order to perform efficiently effectively, what are the opportunities available to the organization? Those opportunities should be identified, and accordingly the organization has to plan its activities so that it can encash the whatever the opportunities are available in the environment. The environment will be providing some of the opportunities to the organization, and also at the same time it will be providing some of the threats. Those threat needs to be combated with the well planned activities, otherwise the organization cannot survive. Next one will be planning provides performance standards. The organization which plans effectively and efficiently will be providing the standards for the measurement of the performance, and also to take control over the actions of the various departments and the various individuals. It will be setting the standards. So standard setting is part of the planning, and which will be helpful for the controlling function. That's why a good plan specifies the targets which should be accomplished by the each department and by the each individual. So while planning the various activities, the organization will be setting the standards or the targets which needs to be achieved by each department and in turn each individual person. If the person is not able to achieve those standards, the department will not be able to achieve the standards. In turn, the organization may not be able to achieve the organizational goals and objectives. In order to achieve the organizational goals and objectives, the organization needs to be set the standards department wise, individual wise. Whenever there are standards set before the individuals and the departments and the individual persons will be able to achieve those standards. That will be helpful for the achieving the objectives or the goals of the organization. And also the whether the organization will be able to achieve the specified goals or the objectives can be measured by comparing the standards with the actual performance. So that will be called as a controlling function of the management. So the performance of the company is measured and controlled on the basis of such specific performance standards. Without the performance of the performance standard, the organization may not be able to control the organizational activities. So in order to achieve the organizational control, the standard should be set well before the action begins. Next, tuning with the environment. Planning provides tuning with the environment. As you know that environment is a dynamic process. There will be a changes in the environment. According to the changes, we need to, whenever there are changes in the environment, the organization should be adjusted to those changes in the environment. That will be helpful only when there is a planning. Without the proper planning, the organization cannot be able to adjust to the changing environment. Whenever there is a change in the environment, the organization has to adapt those changes in the organization. Planning helps the manager to control the events rather than being controlled by them. Whenever there is no planning, the organization may not be able to control the changing environment. Then it will be controlled by the environment itself. That means to say, if there is no proper planning, the organization will not be able to control the situation will take over the control over the organization. That will be a very pathetic situation. A manager can establish through planning a profitable relationship with the environment. If there is a proper planning, the manager will be able to establish planning a profitable relationship with the organization to the environment. The organization and the environment has a good relationship only when the manager is able to manage the changing situations. Otherwise, the organization will be facing the problems in the future, and which will be leading to the loss in the organization. Ultimately, the organization needs to be closed. So from these points of view, the organization has to plan in very well, so that it can achieve its goals and objectives. So planning is important, focusing on the future direction, values and sense of purpose. So the organization should have a purpose, it should have values, and it should have a direction. Then only the organization will be able to achieve the success. Otherwise, the organization may not be able to achieve the success. And the organization should provide a unifying direction to the various department and various individuals. Otherwise, the organization uh, will be different objectives and different goals. Then department wise, individual wise, if there are different goals and objectives, so it will be very difficult to manage the organization with the different attitudes, different objectives. That's why there should be a unified framework. The overall objectives of the organization should be matched with the departmental objectives and also individual objectives. Individual objectives needs to be matched with the departmental objectives. Departmental objectives should be matched with the organizational objectives. Then only the organization may be able to make success. And planning helping the organization to identify the various opportunities and threats. The organization will be encashing the opportunities available, and it will be combating the threats which will be leading to the risk, so that the risk will be minimized. By providing the performance standards, the organization will be able to control the organization very effectively. Without the standards, the organization may not be able to achieve its organizational objectives. So the controlling of the organization should be very essential for the achieving the organizational goals. To achieve the organizational goals, the organization needs to be controlled. Controlling function will be success only when there are standards. Without the standards, the organization will not be able to perform the controlling function. Environmental changes, so always the environment will be changing. the organization needs to be adjusted according to the changing environment. If the organization is not able to adjust to the environment, then it will be very difficult to perform the activities by the organization. But it has to adapt the changes, and the organization needs to be performed effectively. Otherwise, the organization will be incurring the losses if the it does not able to adapt to the changes to the environment. So with this, the planning is an essential part of the management function. Without proper planning, the organization is not able to achieve its goals and objectives. So planning is essential and must. Without planning, the smooth functioning of the organization is not at all possible. Thank you very much.